Alpha Tonic Reviews. Today, we're diving into a supplement that's been making waves in the health community, Alpha Tonic. Whether you're looking to boost your energy, improve your physical performance, or enhance your overall well-being, Alpha Tonic might be just what you need. Let's break down everything you need to know about this powerful supplement. What is Alpha Tonic? Alpha Tonic is a pioneering supplement designed to support male health, vitality, and overall well-being. It's formulated with a blend of natural ingredients that work together to increase energy levels, boost testosterone production, and improve physical performance. Backed by extensive research, Alpha Tonic is crafted to help men achieve peak health. Does Alpha Tonic work? According to scientific studies and a slew of positive customer testimonials, the answer is yes. The ingredients in Alpha Tonic are carefully selected for their health-boosting properties, targeting key aspects of male health like hormonal balance, energy production, and muscle growth. Users report significant improvements in stamina, mood, and overall physical health, indicating that Alpha Tonic delivers on its promises. What are the ingredients in Alpha Tonic? Now, let's take a closer look at what's inside Alpha Tonic. Boron. Known for boosting testosterone and combating feminizing chemicals, boron helps maintain optimal testosterone levels and supports energy and brain function. Ashwagandha. This powerful antioxidant promotes sexual vigor, lean muscle growth, and improves sperm volume and motility while reducing oxidative stress. Tongkat Ali. Essential for maintaining healthy testosterone levels and optimal cortisol balance, Tongkat Ali aids in muscle growth, fat reduction, and overall physical performance. Fenugreek. Supports healthy testosterone levels, acts as a powerful antioxidant, and helps regulate blood sugar and cholesterol levels. Panax ginseng. Enhances sex drive, energy, and overall performance, with a focus on optimizing erectile function. Maca root. Increases libido, supports healthy sperm concentration, and helps manage mood and stress. Artichoke extract. Boosts sexual performance, supports liver and prostate health, and promotes heart health. Nettle root. Supports optimal testosterone levels, promotes prostate health, and helps maintain healthy blood pressure. Vitamin D. Supports mood, increases metabolism, and strengthens the immune system. Zinc. Enhances semen volume, optimizes erectile function, and supports overall male vitality. Magnesium. Boosts energy, improves stamina, supports brain function, and aids in better sleep. This 100% natural formula is made in the USA with the finest ingredients, designed to jumpstart youthful vitality and improve your quality of life. Alpha Tonic benefits. So, what are the benefits of Alpha Tonic? Here's a quick rundown. Boosts testosterone, enhances energy, muscle mass, and libido. Enhances energy levels, combats fatigue and increases overall energy. Improves mental clarity, reduces stress and improves cognitive function. Supports muscle growth, promotes muscle strength, making it ideal for physical training. Promotes prostate health, targets prostate health, reducing symptoms of BPH. Boosts immune system, strengthens the immune system with essential vitamins and minerals. Alpha Tonic pros and cons. Before you make a decision, let's weigh the pros and cons. Pros. Natural ingredients. Uses a blend of well-researched natural ingredients. Multiple health benefits. Targets various aspects of male health. Positive user feedback. Many testimonials suggest high efficacy. Comprehensive formula. Combines adaptogens, vitamins, and minerals for a holistic approach. No prescriptions needed, available over the counter. Cons. Consistency required, needs regular use for optimal results. Mild delays in results, it might take a few weeks to notice effects. Not suitable for all, consult a healthcare provider if you have certain medical conditions. What is the price of Alpha Tonic? Now, let's talk pricing. Alpha Tonic offers 3 different packages. 1 bottle, 30-day supply. $69 ideal for first-time users wanting to try Alpha Tonic. Popular package. 3 bottles, 90-day supply. $177 at $59 per bottle. This package offers significant savings and includes free shipping in the US. Best value package. 6 bottles, 180-day supply. $234 at $39 per bottle. This package offers the most savings and also includes free shipping in the US. Each package caters to different needs and commitment levels, with the multi-bottle options offering the best value. Is Alpha Tonic a scam? Concerned about scams? Don't be. Alpha Tonic is a legitimate supplement backed by scientific research and manufactured by a reputable company. The transparent ingredients list and positive reviews from real customers further prove that Alpha Tonic is a trustworthy product designed to support male health. Conclusion: in conclusion, Alpha Tonic is a meticulously crafted supplement aimed at enhancing male health through natural ingredients. Whether you're looking to boost your testosterone levels, increase your energy, or improve mental clarity and muscle growth, Alpha Tonic offers a comprehensive approach to male health. With strong scientific backing and positive customer testimonials, it's a reliable solution for anyone looking to improve their vitality and overall well-being. Link in the description.